What is up, big gang? It's your boy Manny V Gaming coming to you live today. I'm going to show you guys how to run a stream on Streamlabs OBS, how to get started for the basic. So this one right here, this is my YouTube stream. This is like the stream starting soon logo, so you can cover it. So whenever you want to start your logo, these you can pick up off the internet. It's free. You just have to go into Google and type in like stream starting soon logo or be right back logo, and these two will pop up. Like if you want to have something to cover your screen while you're doing something. This is my stream label, which is this right here. What a stream label is like if someone subscribes to me or someone donates, it'll pop up right here. This is my most recent subscriber that was on my live stream, not like my subscriber to my channel. Then we have the viewer count, which is right here. This is the YouTube viewer count. Whoever comes in, it'll pop up right here. And just, you know, basic stuff. I'm going to show you guys how to do all this, so let's get started. Alright, so in order to get started, what you're going to do is you're going to click this to add a new scene. It'll bring up a new scene here. You can name it whatever you want. Of course, I have my YouTube here, but we're going to start the tester just for this video. Now, whatever you want to add sources, which is like the logos and all that stuff, you're going to click here. And then if you want to do game capture or video capture, usually display capture is going to be for your screen. So if we click display capture, it'll pop up this. You'll click add source, and as you see, it'll show my desktop, whatever I'm recording right here, and you can mess with it. You can put logos over it, and then you're gonna also want to add game capture. Now what game capture does is and you can also click these two eyes to close whichever one you don't want anybody to see, but what game capture does is you can mess with the settings on it to capture any full screen application, meaning games or any specific window. A specific window would be like a game content that's open right now, so like League of Legends, Xbox Game Bar, stuff like that. You can do like specific games to capture, so it's always recording that. But usually you'll be good with capture any full screen application, and you'll click done. Now you have these two open, which is your display capture and your game capture. There you go. Alright, now on to adding your little logos and your sound captures, whatever. Now, as a default, it'll already have your microphone being captured and your speakers being captured, which means your in-game content, like your desktop audio, all that good stuff. So you don't really have to mess with that, but if you want to add filters to make it sound better, you can. Usually it's good to have filters because it, you know, fixes everything. This is my settings for my filters, just so you guys have like a base to where you can get started to make your own filters on it. But this is my noise gate. Noise gate is your sounds, like if your room is super noisy, it'll cut your voice and start your voice at a certain time, so it's not always hearing everything around you. You have noise suppression. Noise suppression knocks down all the noise behind you. Let's see, your PC is loud or your PS4 is loud and you want to knock it down. This will help you with that. And then you have voice gain to bring your voice up and down, but usually I have it at 3.2. So my noise gain is at 3.2, my noise suppression is at -40, and my noise gate is 32 and 20, -32 and -26. Attack time 25, hold time 200, and release time 150. That's usually good filters to have on your mic, but those are my personal options. You know, you don't have to copy those exactly. You guys can always play around with it. Alright, now let's go ahead and show you guys how to start adding sources and getting this screen looking all nice and pretty like. Alright, so if you guys want to add an image, usually I would put like my logo in the middle of the screen, just so you know you have something. You'll double click it, you see right there. That's my logo, and this is a PNG file. You have to have a PNG in order for it to sit up here. Also have like a big block of color just blocking the screen. Now you just push add source, and you're gonna have to make it to your there we go. Okay, you're gonna have to make it to your specifications, so you can shrink it, you know, bring it up, bring it down, whatever you need to do. And you guys get the point. So you'll bring it up here, wherever you want to set it. Usually I'll have it like sitting dead centered and not too big to where it's blocking gameplay, but big enough to where people can see it. Set it up there. And then, alright, and then we're gonna add Let's see what else we can put in here just to show you guys. So alert boxes. Alert boxes are also, again, as it says right here, they're really essential to your live stream, just so it's super active. Everybody wants to come back to it. So you'll click alert boxes. There's alert boxes for donations, subscriptions, follows, bids, and hosts. Now you can change your alert box as much as you want. So this is the size of the alert box. It won't show up right away. You're gonna have to click it just to bring your own tests into it, and you can customize the alert box completely if you want to. Again, it's a little in-depth and it takes a little while, but trust me, it can be done. Now, if you want to see your alert, you can just click this. That's my alert box. This one I had customized just because, you know, my colors are red always. You have your alert box there. Make sure you put your alert box somewhere where it's not gonna, again, mess up gameplay. It's not gonna be too like, you know, in the way, and it's gonna be in a nice place. Now with the alert box, this is the settings for it. Again, this is all up to you guys. If you want to do, like, I know one of my buddies, Typical Irish Gamer, if he wanted to do like some kind of like leprechaun or something, not racist, you know. If you wanted to do like a little leprechaun or something, he could. You just got to go into general settings and mess with it, or moderator tools, the source, and you can customize it completely. Again, this is all up to you guys, whatever you want to do. And Typical, I know he gets a lot of donations, so there's a one for donations. There's your members one. Again, once you click it, it'll show down here what it's going to be. This is the default, and this is how you would customize. You would just add another PNG in here and mess with it. So this alert box right here, you can customize it for everyone. So like if you wanted to make it for donations, you can unclick donations, subscribers, members. So let's do donations also. So now that you have it ticked for donations, if you test your widget and do donations, there's your donation. Now me, I'm not at the level yet to where I can get donations from anybody, so this custom little picture I have here is not going to ever work for me, but you know, it's nice to have. Alright, now next part, subscription goals. This is another thing that you can have on your channel if you want to. I don't personally put it on just because I don't really have the subscribe goals on my channel. I just like people to come in and have some fun, you know, watch the videos. You could put it up and it'll show you like, oh, I wanted to get 20 subscribers today, and it'll show you live how many subscribers you have here. You can put it up here, down there, wherever you want to put it. You have the chat box. Chat box is for YouTube. It's really good to have if you want to like keep super interactive. If you don't want to look at your little chat every now and then, you could just pop it up. But again, you're running the risk of people spamming stupid stuff, and it's not going to be good. But again, it's up to you, your preference. We have the jar. You don't really need to know about this. This is just kind of for Twitch, but if you want to use it, you can. You could, I mean, you see up here what happens. It's just like if someone donates, it drops gold into the little jar. Dream Boss. Again, this is for Twitch bits. You don't need to worry about it if you're doing YouTube. Spin Wheel. This is good for giveaways. I've used this once. It's really nice. You just put people's names on the spin wheel and it'll spin for you. See who wins the random draw, that kind of stuff. Then we got Stream Labels. Stream Labels does work for YouTube. It's kind of buggy right now, but it does work. This is for like the new followers, new subs, new donations, all that stuff. Also the all-time top donator. I think my name would be up there on Typical Irish. I'm just saying. Then you got the donation goal again, same thing as last time. With the subscription goal, you get the donation ticker. This is also good for your stream if you want people to see who's been donating. This is like a permanent list of people who are donating or who have donated. It's really good to have. You have your event list. This is good for YouTube. I haven't seen anybody use it yet, but I'm pretty sure you can. Viewer count. Now this is definitely one I recommend anybody to have for YouTube or Twitch. It's nice. It's like a nice little display up there at the top of your screen. I usually use it right up here with the viewer count. You can move it around if you want to make it bigger, but I usually put it up like right about here. It shows everybody how many viewers you have on YouTube who are in the live stream. I mean, I know views don't matter that much, but it's just cool to have, you know, a live viewer count that's not just on YouTube, but you can see personally. Then we have the member goal and the instant replays, all that good stuff. Alright guys, so basically that's all you need to know about Streamlabs OBS, how to set up. If you guys want to know anything about how to add PNGs, how to add, you know, your own little videos, you can go ahead and hit me up. I got no problem helping people out. But yeah, I hope this video helps somebody out. I hope you guys have a good day or good night. Much love to you Pit Gang, much love to you Irish Gang. Have a good day or good night. Manny V Gaming out.
I'm here to school you to the rules of the game and a culture. Think you want it up just cause she let a nigga toss her. It's like a motherfucking privilege.